In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to select a photo from a boost if you want to keep that one photo and get rid of the rest. So you go to your media types and you go to boosts like here, and I've only got one here in my case, so double click on that one so it opens up and I get the option to make a selection. Click on that, and in my case I only have 2 photos in that boost, so I can move forwards and backwards with my arrow keys on the keyboard, and then I choose, this is not so good, so I choose that one, that's the one I want to keep, so I tick the box and I say done, and now it will ask you what you want to do. I don't want to keep everything, I want to keep only what I have selected. So I click on that, and now can you see how it has actually disappeared altogether because I had only that one boost in that album. So these are folders that are made automatically by Apple. If you don't have boosts, you will not have that album. Now when I go back to my photos, I can now see that photo, and when I double click on it I don't get that option anymore to make a selection because now it's not a boost anymore. It's just an individual photo and it's still there. And when I go to recently deleted, I can see that the others have been gone. So all good. And this is how you select one, or if you want multiples of a series of boosts, and then you get individual photos rather than one photo with all these little ones behind it.